Yes. Yeah. No. Ay, sus! May chocolate. Nakalimutan ko dala ng battery. So, OMG. Good morning! Ay, wait, saka it's blurred. Blurred. Okay. Blurred, mga kanak. Good morning, mga lalabs! Agoy. Good morning, Dada! Morning. Ganda ng gising namin. So, Sophia woke up late. Around 7:30. Tapos kami ni Bana, naka-coffee na siya sa bed. Ganun. Hoy, yung lobot.
Stop sharing your...
Stop sharing your lobot. Umiiksi na yung damit niya. Ano yan niya? Favorite niya yan. Tapos natulog siya ngayon sa bed niya. So, super nakarelax kaming dalawa ni Bana. Ayan, oh, naglalaro.
Oops. Careful.
Oo, kiss bubu. Oh no!
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, we're going down ng mga lalabs para makapag-breakfast kami. Pupunta si Bana ng shop for a while. Tapos, hindi ako okay lang naman yung sleep ko. Kasi nag-edit ako ng 5 o'clock hapon. Hindi ko natapos. Edit ako ng 5 o'clock hanggang ano, kasi 7 o'clock yung ano ko, diba? 7 or 1 p.m. in Pinas. Yan yung daily, ano ko, upload ko. So, bababa na muna tayo mga lalabs. So, I'm cooking hard-boiled eggs kasi request yan ni Bana. Tapos, yung ating bacon and andito sa air fryer. So, malapit na din yung matapos, mga lalabs. She saw immediately the chips. Move, anak, move! Move! Dada just came from the grocery. Yan, meron kaming konting grocery. Utang ko na naman to kay Dada. Wala na akong pera. What is that? Yes. Yeah. No, not yet. Nakos breakfast. We have bread and eggs. Here, baby. Here. Pia. We have bread. Tulong si Sofia. Ay, ayaw. Kanina tulong. Yay! Tapos ngayon, bread, brioche. Then we have cookie dough ice cream. Ice cream. For Dada. We have cola. We have, ito free to shop Pringles. We have banana all the time. We have apple juice, yogurt drink, 4 nuts muesli, and the banana bar. And ito din siya, naka-sale siya. €2 per piece. So, and then, this one is also 35%. Ganun. Say hi. Say hi, Langga. Hi. Tingnan nyo, busy si Dada. Kukuhanin niya yung sizes ng ano, para sa stone sa garden. Ayan. Buti na lang din at may gana siya na gawin yan. Kasi matagal ko na yan nire-request. Tapos sabi niya, diba minsan gana-gana din. So hayaan natin na pag may gana na yung mga asawa natin, gawin yung mga pinapagawa natin. Sabi nga ni Papa, hindi ko daw siya persahin or pugson ba na gawin yung mga gusto kong gawin. Kasi minsan daw yan din, pagod din sa trabaho. Oh. So, maganda yung weather so far today. Ayan. Ayan si Dada. Konti-konti, ginagawa namin yung garden. Tapos, tignan nyo yung aming halaman dyan, oh. Talagang nag-wild na siya. Natabunan na yung parang roses ko dyan, oh. Ayan. Tatapunan na siya. Laki niya nag-wild. Sabayan sila sa white, pero yung white hindi pa, lumaki. Ayan. Wala na yung garden ko. Vegetable garden. Wala na. Lalagyan namin yan ng yung mga laruan ni Sofia for winter. Diyan namin. Bibilhan namin ng yung parang, ewan ko ba ang pangalan, yung parang shed something. Where are you going, anak? Say hi. Hi, baby. Hi. Say hi, Langga. Tugnaw kaayo eh. Say hi, Langga. Give it to Dada. Ay, sus! May chocolate pa sa mukha. Gusto niya lock doon siya yung Dada. Tinawag ako ni Bana. Yes? What is it? Huh?
Your little garden. This is 45.
Yeah?
Now, you're, can I have it 45? Or 30?
Do 45.
45, then
Oh.
I have another block here of 15.
So that's too big then. Duma 30. 30 is okay.
30.
Yeah. Then you have Sophia has a lot of space then. Like this.
Yeah, that's a 30.
This is a 30, yeah. So that Sophia has a lot of space for playing as
I
well.
can still put 45 in because I can use it to put block in and then put 30 in. And then this is running down about 2 layers, so basically a cool lower than 30 because this will be sunk down a bit. So
It's okay.
15, I'm looking at probably about 20 centimeters high.
And the baby is cold, anak. Come inside. Huh? No, no. It's cold.
Height. There. It's the height of the wall.
It's okay.
15, 30, no, 25.
Yeah. Hi mga lalabs. Ano, labas muna kami. Punta kami ng Germany. Walang hiya. Lobat. I'm lobat. Walang yan. Nakalimutan ko magdala ng battery. So, OMG, nagbe-blink-blink na siya. Mag-grocery kami kasi darating yung mga Indays next week, Saturday. So, bibisita sila dito sa amin. Kasama si Inday Val o si Inday Ikat. So, abangan nyo yan. Magkikita kami dito. So, bibili ako ng karne para may maulam kami. Kaya naman pag, tawag nito, kung bulad lang yung sudaan, diba? So, maghanda tayo konti or sardinas. Nakakaya naman. So, balitaog. Singalan ani. Balitaog karne. No? Kaya, sabi ko kay Bana, punta kami ngayon para next week ready na kasi wala ng time. Si Sophia nasa likod. Hi, baby! Oh na, she's hiding. She doesn't want. See you later. Estrella Burger. Ein. Zwei von diese. Zwei. So, mga lalas, tapos na kaming mag-grocery. Tapos, nag-a-unload pa si Bana sa likod. Tapos, dito na kami ni Sophia. Hi, nak. So, sobrang init. Ang ganda ng weather. Talaga. Parang nakakaputi. Parang putla ko ba? Ang putla ko ba? Sus! Ayan, nalubat na talaga ako. Inano ko na lang ba para magamit ko. So, face mask talaga. Ang tuwa ko kasi nakabili ako ng yung taba para sa humba. Ganon. Kasi parang mag-ano din ako. Mag-leche flan din tayo. Tignan natin. Kasi bumili ako ng condensed milk. Konti lang yung binili namin. Kasi sobrang dami na nang binili na. Short na naman sa budget. Lagi na lang tayong short nito. Someone is excited. He said, why are you not drinking your milk? Hoy, don't beat your nose. Okay. Yes. It's, what you call it, Rondana?
Looks like a salad.
Salad. But I think it's a vegetable salad.
No, there's meat there.
Oh, there's meat. So, that's Dada's lunch. So, ito naman yung lunch ko, mga lalabs. Pancake. Ubusin ko na kasi. Last na. No, not really. What can I give her? Bacon. We still have bacon. Hi mga lalabs! Dito ako sa labas pala. Dito ako sa my chef namin. Magluluto ako ng beef ulam namin for tonight. Kaso gusto ko dito magluto sa labas kasi naglinis ako ng kusina. Tapos yung exhaust din nilinis ko ba. So alangan naman magbuling-buling ko, 'di ba? Tapos yung mga fats kasi mag-splash, magtalagsik. So, dito ako nag-decide magluto. Ayoko din gumamit ng charcoal kasi matrabaho siya. So, dito lang. Kasi konti lang malutuin ko. 2 piraso, 4 lang na pirasong Kami lang iba na. Kitchen paper, Which one should I cook first?
It smells burger.
Huh?
Burger.
Yeah, I know. Which one should I cook first? Pork?
Yummy, yummy, yummy. Yummy, yummy, yummy. All for my tummy.
Okay, Dada. You're so happy. Yes? You want to look? Wow! Huh? Yes! Yum, yum. No. Yeah! Say hi. Say hi, Langga. Say hi. Here. Say hi. Hey. Sit down. Sit down, Mac. Here. Dada, it's cooked. Oh. Wow, another side. Ay, mga lalab, dun pala sa nakita nyo yung yung scandalous outfit ko. Scandalous, talagang scandalous. Ayaw ni Bana. Sabi niya, ha? A poor? A whore outfit daw. No. Sabi niya, a whore outfit, sabi niya, it doesn't suit me. Wah! So, pang whole class ako. Whole classy look ako, Dada.
Too classy.
Too classy? Am I too classy?
No, you're not.
What?
Not for that.
Not for that again. Who's Sophia?
More interesting in the camera than her.
I didn't know she's going to stand. Away na naman dahil sa bata. Okay, don't move na anak ka, mama, be. Say hi! Oh. There's a wasp. Oh! Sit down, anak, sit down. Ika lang. Ang bataan eh. Ay, agad! Hindi na kayo, we will wash. Oh, wait! What is that?
Might as well eat first before we wash.
Of course, we will eat first. Kanina ito akong bana, no? Kay Kwan kay ay. Tagsa restoria. Ay! Look at that. Gikumot-kumot. Dire may sa gawas. Ang daming nag-barbecue ngayon mga lalabs kasi maganda yung weather. Ang dami kong naamoy na barbecue. Kaya dito din kami sa labas para
Filipina way of barbecuing.
grill. Electric na ako kay Kapoy kay magkuanin. Yung maglinis ng barbecue tapos mag-charcoal, maglangan-langan tapos dalawa lang kami kakain. Wasting time. So, buti pa na. Hala, there's a wasp, Jude. Oh, this one, that's the only one. There, in the bike. Wasp? That's not a... It's a wasp. Yeah, there.
Yeah, I can see it.
Then why are you using your hands? Hopefully, oh, good thing. She's afraid. How's our barbecue? Let's see. That's the beef. That's 21 euro, man.
That's mine.
Huwag na umring na ang karne. Para kang... Dad, para kang...
Sophia!
She's fine. She's just playing. Yeah? She's playing. Yeah. Yeah, what is that? Uy, Ariat, oh. What do you want Mama to show, Mama? What is that? Huh? Garden namin. Hindi pa tapos-tapos. Pero si Dada have a project na with this one. Yes. Oh, no! Ants, no! Don't touch them. They'll bite you. Oh, no! Kinuha yung aking kamay, Ariat. Yes! Ayan. Where? Yeah. Shh, they're sleeping. The ants are sleeping, anak. Shh. Yeah? Ngayon dagway kasi kumain na siya ng nag-dessert na ang agata. Hey, after eating, ha? You're going to wash, okay? Oi, what you got in your hair? Dada's asking. Oh, hey. Pagka na lang Judy mo. What is that? Sus. You need to clip it, Sophia. Clip it like that. Very good. Tapos na. Kakain na kami. Sophia, come. Huh? It's warm? Oh, I think I saw a smoke. Yeah, Dada, in your arm. Smoke? Or is it from here and then it went there to you? So, ito yung aming dinner. Handa na si Dada. Bread. Tapos, tzatziki. And then, ito yung salad. Tsaka, yun lang. At tsaka yung meat. Yun yung kakainin namin tonight. Charap, charap. Na natin. My feeling.
What's in it?
Nuts.
갑자기 내게 나타나준 너 난 아무 말도 할 수가 없었지